Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing inside control. Get a 2-on-1 or a wrist-to-elbow grip to disrupt posture and reaction. Drop your level by bending knees and pushing hips back while keeping your chest up. This protects your sprawl and readies power. Step in with a sharp lead leg penetration, head positioned against their hip or chest, and immediately squeeze your legs to drive. Once you have that posture, pull their far arm across and make sure to commit your weight forward to finish the chain of attack. Once in, you must drive with your legs, push the mat away and avoid yanking with the lower back. This preserves stamina and power. Reach under with your near arm to lift the opponent's far hip while turning your hips to create the angle that exposes their back. As you rotate, clamp your knees or slide into a tight single/double depending on their knee placement. This secures control and prevents reframes. Make sure to keep chest pressure and head placement to deny counters and maintain momentum. To complete the takedown, lock your hips to theirs and drive your chest into theirs. Forward pressure turns a takedown into control or a pin. If they sprawl, don't panic. Circle your head position, re-penetrate to the opposite leg, or switch rapidly to an ankle pick to change the plane of attack. When things go wrong, check your entry speed and head placement. Often slowing your initial step and keeping the head tight fixes counters. Keep drilling these transitions until reactions become automatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.